How to fix a loose retaining ring, Segway Max G30 series. When the retaining ring is loose, as shown here in the video, gently tighten the screw with a 2 mm hex key. Caution: do not over-tighten, as this may damage the retaining ring. Secure the retaining ring in place. Adjust the base. If the base is loose, follow the procedure shown in the video. Use a 2 mm hex key to adjust the base according to the following steps. Tighten this screw using a 2.5 mm hex key.